Okay, everyone. Hi, how are you? Today we will start Unit 11. We are going on holiday. Lesson 1, Holidays and Places to Stay. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to read and understand descriptions of holiday plans, classify information by categorizing words and phrases. If I said holidays, what do you understand? Traveling, staying, enjoyment, feeling happy, feeling satisfied, learn different languages from different countries, learn about their traditional things, food, clothes, ceremonies. So this is holidays. If you see this picture, it's a place you can go if while you are traveling on holiday, you can go and stay there, sleep, have a shower, eat something. So we call this one accommodation. Accommodation is a place where you can have a rest, sleep, eat while you are traveling to another place, another country. Accommodation. It's time for the course book, page 185. If you look at this picture here, what do you think? What do you think? What's going on in this picture? Yes, father or grandfather and the son or grandson are walking on the beach, and the boy is catching fish. So I think they are on holidays, right? Yes, they have a great time, enjoy themselves on the beach. Here, girls, you are going to read this paragraph and match the underlined. Here you have underlined in the paragraph, in the text, you have underlined words and phrases. We need to read this one and match the underlined phrases and words with this categorizing on the left. So I need, for example, type of accommodation. We said accommodation is a place you can sleep, have a rest, take a shower while you are traveling. So we need type of accommodation. He said what? An apartment. So an apartment in the text, this is means a place or a type of accommodation. We need to read also and give me activities. But how many activities? Two, like fishing, swimming, climbing mountains. Then I need sports facility, number 3. Sports facility. Sports facility. Something easy you can do, like for a sport. 4, feature of the city. Something famous, something well known in the city. So we need now to read this text and find out match. I'm going to New York City with my family. We are going to stay in an apartment. So we said that apartment is what? Apartment is a type of accommodation. It's like a flat in a building. In the center of the city. I love sightseeing, and there are lots of great things to see there. Central Park is one of the most famous places in New York City. Central Park. I also like playing tennis, so I'm going to go to that tennis courts in the park. Mahdi. So which one here do you think means activities? I need 2 activities. Yes, sightseeing. Sightseeing means that go outside and see, watch lovely places. and also playing tennis. This is another activity. So I have here two activities, sightseeing and playing tennis. What about sports facility? Tennis court. So what's tennis court? Tennis court is a place, a playground. You can go and play tennis. So this is help you to play tennis. Facility. 4. Feature of the city, something famous, a place there. Central Park. So Central Park is a famous place in New York City. So these are the words in this text. Apartment, it's a type of accommodation. Sightseeing is an activity. Central Park, a famous place in New York. Playing tennis is also activity. And tennis court, this is a sport facility. Here, girls, I have another text. A, B, C, D. We need to match them with these countries. Okay, if you want, you can use Atlas to find them. Brazil, Croatia, Japan, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Brazil, Croatia, Japan, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. If you remember, I said the definite article, the. Why? Because I have word kingdom, if you remember this one. Kingdom. If you see word kingdom, I have to say the kingdom. So let's read article or text A and find out which city is it. I'm going to the coast with my family. We are staying at a hotel. So hotel here is accommodation near a beach called Praia do Rosa. You can do lots of water sports like windsurfing and sailing there. You can go whale watching too. I am really looking forward to it. Bruno. So what do you think? Which country is it? Do you think? Brazil. Yes. So what can you do in Brazil? You can go to the coast with the family. Bruno will go to the coast with his family and also stay in a hotel and then make some water sports like windsurfing and sailing. Also, he can see whale watching. Okay, what about B? Text B. Most of the time, I am going to be at home. I am going on a day trip with my family. We are going to Jeddah, which is right on the Red Sea coast. My cousins live there, so I can catch up with them. I'm looking forward to hearing all their news. We might go to the Shalal theme park. You can go ice skating or roller skating there. Mariam. Jeddah, Red Sea, Shalal. So this place is, yes, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. You can find their famous place, Jeddah. You can go to the coast, okay, and you can go to Shalal theme park. It's a feature of the land of the city. Number C, we are going camping. You can see Mount Fuji from the campsite. We went there last year and it was great. There are hot springs and tennis courts, and there is a big swimming pool. We are diving there so we can take our tent with us. It isn't a long journey, it only takes 2 hours. Ren. Mount Fuji. Feature. Famous feature in this city. Japan. It's Japan. You can make hot springs, tennis court, swimming pool. The last one, number D, I like going to other countries. You get a chance to see new things. We are flying to Dubrovnik and we are staying in apartment. We are going on a half-day sightseeing tour. When we get there, and there are islands to explore just off the coast. So we will go on a boat trip to see them. I can't wait, Sarah. Which place you have to fly with airplane to Drom, Drobovink and staying in apartment accommodation. You can see sightseeing, exciting place, exciting thing you can do, activity you can do there, and you can discover. So this is Croatia. Perfect, yeah. So the activity book here, page 155, holidays and places to stay. We need to complete the names. A large city in the USA. USA, largest city here. It's which city? New York City. 2. A mountain in Japan. You remember? Mountain in Japan. This one. Picture of mountain in Japan. It's Mount. Yes, Fuji. 3. A sea next to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Sea. Red Sea. 4. A beach in Brazil. Praia de Rosa. Praia de Rosa. This is the beach of in Brazil. A city in Croatia, number 5. Yes, it's Dubrovnik or Dubrovnik. Now we are going to read the text again. How many of the following can you find? Types of holiday accommodations, holiday activities, sports facilities, features of the landscape. Have a look again, please, quickly here to the 4 texts, paragraphs, and find types of holiday accommodation. Holiday activities. Accommodation, we said that it's a place you can sleep, take a rest, have a shower while traveling. Activities, something you can do there. Sports facilities, a place you can do the sport. Features of the landscape mean that famous place in each city or in each country. So, after reading, we are going to find these things. Types of holiday accommodation, hotel, campsite, apartment. Well done. So what are these? These are accommodation. Types of accommodation. Hotel, campsite, apartment. Camp. You need a tent. You sleep in the tent. This is a place for accommodation or a type of accommodation. And apartment, it's a flat in a building. Hotel, you know hotel. What about holiday activities? What can you do there in the 4 places? Croatia, Japan, Saudi Arabia. Okay, Brazil. What can you do there? Windsurfing, sailing, whale watching, ice skating, roller skating, sightseeing tour, boat trip. Yes, in the 4 cities. What about sports facilities? Tennis courts and swimming pool. You can go there and do your sport. Features of the landscape. Coast, this is a feature, very famous place. Beach, hot springs, islands. What are they? They are landscapes. Here, girls, in page 155 in your activity book, you have here some words. We need to classify these words in this table. Which word is accommodation? Like apartment, hotel. Which one is holiday activities? You can do something you can do. Sports facilities, places you can do your sport. Features of the landscape. You have here in the box tennis courts, park, sightseeing, hiking, hotel, beach, swimming pool, boat trip, campsite, lake, mountain, ice rink, football pitch, it's a playground, swimming, holiday home. So let's find the first one, accommodation. Which one is matching with accommodation? Yes, hotel, campsite, holiday home. Hotel, campsite, holiday home. This is what types of accommodation. What about holiday activities? Sightseeing, hiking, swimming, boat trip. These are activities. Hiking means that climbing the mountains or walking up the mountains. Hiking, walking, climbing. Sports facilities, tennis court, swimming pool, ice rink, it's the place that you can skate, football pitch. They are what? They are sports facilities. Features of the landscapes like park, beach, lake, mountain. Landscapes. Now, this is your homework. You are going to do what? To reorder the words to make sentences. We always start with capital letter, subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. But here we start with the capital we. We are where. After we are, the verb here are going to. Are going to. This is the verb. After to, verb infinitive. I'm going to stay. Stay infinitive. No ing, no ed, no s, nothing. We are going to stay. We, subject, are going to stay. This is the verb. Where? In a hotel. So this is the object. Subject, where. Verb, are going to stay. Object, in a hotel. So you are going to do the same. And this going to, this is referred to the future, later. What are you going tomorrow, after tomorrow, next week, next month, next holiday? So this is tell us about the future tense, future time. Going to, going to. Before going to, verb to be, am, is, are. Am, is, are. Am, for if I am talking about myself, I am. Is for one, singular. And are for plural. We are, you are, they are. So I need you please to do this homework and send for me, of course, on the WhatsApp. I'm waiting for your homework. Thank you very much. Bye.